Hey, it's time to celebrate birthdays, and we get to start these birthdays with a rare look of Spider-Man when he was a kid. This is Decker Vitt celebrating a birthday this morning, turning 3 in St. Paul.
Check out that form, throwing the web.
At 3 years old, Spider-Man knew what he had going on, obviously, and little did we know, Spider-Man was Decker Vitt in St. Paul.
All right, and Andy Johnson is 11 years old in Oswego.
Very happy birthday, Andy. And we've got Olivia No, old enough to drive now, turning 16 over in Carthage. A very happy birthday to Olivia.
All right, and then Phyllis King celebrating birthday number 71 in West Mineral.
We also have Robert Travis celebrating 71 as well. That's a good number. Over in Chanute, happy birthday to you, Robert.
I hope he has another cake just like that. Switch out the 0 for a 1. All right, and we've got John Bates. Happy birthday, Mr. Bates and Arma.
And then we've got Charles and Pat Burr, 49 years of marriage. A very, very happy anniversary to Charles and Pat Burr.
All right, and that is our birthday list for today. If you have a birthday, please submit them to us online at birthdays@komnewsnow.com, or you can email them to us at birthdays with an S. Don't forget the S at komtv.com.
And while you're at our website, I have something you need to do. You need to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. And you can go to the website to do that. You get special deals from local businesses for your special day. Super easy to do. You know what you do? You go to our website. And if you forgot what it is, it's KOAMnewsnow.com. Make sure you sign